Good morning, friends. Today is day one, and we finally reach at the Incheon Airport. A 3 months of planning before I arrived to South Korea. A very long line for immigration, but finally it was cleared. And this was my Brompton bag where I carried my folding cycle. This was the final packing that I did. Safe. Purchased a local SIM card for 10 days. Do purchase the voice plan. Along with that, you get this card where you can recharge it and use it in buses and metros. From the airport itself, you can take two types of train. One is a fast train and the other is slow train. We went for slow train, that is the blue one, and recharged our T-Money card with 10,000 won. So we inserted 50,000 won and here we received 40,000 won. From the Incheon International Airport, we went to Geomam.
यहाँ पर बैगेज रखने की एक जगह है, वहाँ पे जाएगी, वो है ये, तो यहाँ पर जाएगी.
And we changed the train and we went to Sego Office Station. That was the place where we had our one night stay at Cacao Hotel. The temperature in Incheon, in fact in Korea, was very pleasant to cycle. The Cacao Hotel is very near to the Sego Office Station and hence it is easier for you to travel. The best part about Cacao Hotel is that you can keep your cycling bags for 10, 15 or 20 days and then come back on the last day and pick up your stuff. This is an electronic flush system with different jet sprays of hot water and cold water.
दिस इज द रिमोट है जो इसमें आप लाइट्स ऑन कर सकते हैं और ये जो रेड वाला बटन है दैट इज फॉर द एसी. ओके, सो द होल रिमोट जो है आपका पूरे घर की लाइटिंग हो जाती है.
You can use the coffee machine at the reception area totally free. In your room, you have a refrigerator which has 2 bottles, some cold drinks, as well as a water heater, a kettle.
Finally, I reach Yongsan Electronic Market. Let us see what I can buy. ये आ गए हम Yongsan Electronic Market. Is meant for ramps for cyclists where people can take their cycle. Well thought.
After having trial rides and other stuff, I was finally at my hotel, Cacao Hotel, and tomorrow morning at 6:30 or 7, we will be leaving for cycling from Ara bicycle pathway to Yohu.
Yeah, over to Ritesh. Okay, hi. So on the first day, that is day 1, that is one of the longest kilometers that we'll be covering, roughly 134. While mostly in the 22.7, that is the first lap is known as Ara bicycle path. ARA, that is 22.7 kilometers roughly. Then from there on the same day, so Ara takes from Incheon to Seoul. And the second lap is Seoul to Yeoju, that is roughly 63.2 kilometers. Okay, so that is our day 1. Now the day 2, that goes from Yeoju to Chungju. Okay. That is roughly 81.1 kilometers. Okay, the difficult lap that we are going to have is from Chungju to Sangju, that is roughly 100 kilometers, and that has 2 mountains, and roughly that is one of the difficult ride that we are going to have
That is on day 3.
on day 3.
Day
the
3.
two mountains.
Okay.
Then on the fourth day we will have Sangju to Gumi, that is 64 plus 45. So that means Sangju to Daegu we will have 100 kilometers plus over there.
Okay.
Okay. Then Daegu to Changyong, that is 102 kilometers. These are all well enough road, but the toughest one would be the Chungju to Sangju, 100 kilometers. That is a task for us. Then on the 7th day we will have Changju to Busan, that is once again 100 kilometers.
Nice.
So Pankaj, every day we
Single
are going
day.
to cover 100
100
kilometers.
kilometers.
And we have to really decide how much breaks we want
Yeah.
to take and just have fun and
Yes.
enjoy our
Yes.
ride.